Whole mountain is on fire. Yeah, it's been like this for like 30 minutes. We're getting hosed trying to water our mountain. We literally live on the mountain. It's
so
like
where do you live at? You live right here,
like right here. This is my house, and the fire is literally like right here, and it keeps spreading.
How close is it to your backyard?
Like, so we live on a hill, so it's literally like probably like 20, 30 feet from my backyard.
Okay.
You can see it coming down. Come outside, and literally our whole
Fire near West Hills neighborhood that forces more evacuation calmed down today, but the National Weather Service is now warning that the wind is expected to strengthen. This Palisades fire, which is near the coast, has now burned about 26.9 square miles. And then there's the Eaton fire, which is north of Pasadena, which has burned around 21.4 square miles. And then the Hearst fire, which is in San Fernando Valley, has now burned 1.3 square miles.
Battle a wildfire that broke out Tuesday night in Riverside County. Evacuations were ordered in a portion of the county. That fire is 80% contained. We're also keeping our eye on some winter weather that might disrupt holiday travel. An Alberta Clipper system will move through the Great Lakes and Northeast and could bring some snow along with cold temperatures Friday into Saturday.